Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics Easaral, only way. Begin by isolating key concepts, then practice targeted problems each day using active recall and spaced repetition, and continuously test understanding with quick concept checks and simple derivations rather than rote memorization. Work problems with intention. Read the whole question, sketch, write knowns, choose principles, and plan steps before computing. After solving, review each choice and common mistakes, and then reattempt variants until the method becomes familiar and reliable under time pressure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help me make more physics tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Build compact summary sheets and spaced flashcards, and alternate short concept summaries with hands-on numerical problems. Explain solutions aloud as if teaching someone, and schedule weekly mixed reviews to strengthen connections across topics and prevent forgetting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.